Aloha! I'm here today with another project that you guys can do at home. The first thing that you're going to need to do is you need to go outside and find some type of stick that you can use as a wand. So something that is long enough, you don't want it to be too short, you don't want it to be too long, you want it to be just right. So something that you can hold comfortably and use as a special wand. Then, out of your packet at home, you're gonna take your two hearts, your three ribbons, and your stuffing, and you're gonna need a needle, some thread, and a scissor. Once you have all of your materials ready, you're gonna thread your needle, make a nice little knot at the end of your thread. I like to wrap it this way. I place the very end of my thread on top of my needle and I pinch it together, and then I wrap the thread 4 times, just about, and then carefully I pull it all the way down, keep going, until you have a nice little knot. Ooh, nice little knot at the end. Could you see that? There we go. And then when your thread is all ready to go, you're gonna make sure that the ink that I used to cut out our hearts is on the inside, so they're pressed together with the ink facing inside. And you're gonna do the blanket stitch. Now we're gonna start at the bottom of the heart down here, but we wanna make sure that we leave enough space for our wand to fit into there at the end. So leave a little extra space. I'm gonna start right here where my fingers are pinched. Ooh. And when I'm starting, I'm going through just one side of going through the middle of them, so that way my knot gets tucked in the middle here. And then I'm gonna go through both sides. And make sure that I go through the window. Go through both pieces of the fabric, and then before I pull it all the way tight, I'm gonna go through the window. Just like that. So I'm gonna keep going all the way until I reach the tippy top of the heart, right up here, okay? Now, I have sewn to the tippy top of the heart, like that. Now, I'm gonna find my ribbon, all 3 pieces of my ribbon, and I'm gonna line up each edge. Some of the ribbon is a little bit longer than other ones, that's fine, but we're just gonna match it up on one side. And we're gonna stack them all together, okay? Now, we're going to slide our ribbon inside of our heart, coming right up the middle there. And then we'll probably need some help from our parents, and we're gonna do a few really good securing stitches and make sure that we go through each piece of the ribbon and make sure that they are secured inside of there. I'll show you what it looks like when that is all done. Okay, so now I have all the ribbons secured in there, coming right out the top of the heart, just like that. And then I'm gonna just keep going all the way along my heart. Keep going, and I'm gonna stop just about here. So there's enough room so we can stuff our heart. All right, I'll show you what it looks like when I get there. All right, so I have sewn just about halfway down the other side of the heart. Now I'm gonna take my stuffing and I'm going to stuff our heart till it's nice and full. I wanna make sure that it's really filled up. Go. Maybe one more piece because we want to make sure there's also room for our wand to slide in.